I have here the OBSBOT
webcam.
I have the Tiny 2 and the
OBSBOT Meet 4K webcam.
Let's open them up and see what we think. So it comes inside this really nice carrying case. And this is the Tiny 2 that I have here. And it truly is a tiny
webcam.
Has cables with it, its base, and other hardware. And of course the user manual. Let's see what the other one has. This neat user manual. This one is slightly bigger, but still looks just as cool. So we have the cables, the mount, and what feels like a screen cover for this one. This one does not come with a carrying case like the Tiny 2 does, but I think it will still get the job done. So let's see what we need to do next with these cameras. Alright, so both
web
are pretty cool. They both come with user manuals that are in a couple different languages, so you can always use the language that you prefer. They both come with warranties and other notices for you to know about. Now, something that is super cool about the Tiny 2 is that it has voice commands. There's a little slip to help you understand which voice commands you use, but it has wake up Tiny 2, or hi Tiny, or sleep Tiny, or zoom in, zoom out, which is really helpful if you are a streamer and you are across the room and you need your camera to zoom in, zoom out, turn on, and whatnot. Now, I have attached to my laptop right now the Meet camera. It was very easy to attach. I plugged it in and I plugged it in and it turned right on. I have myself set up to a Google Meet right now, and I believe it will be just as easy with the Tiny 2. They easily clip onto the back of your computer just pretty simply, but they also do have tripod mounts on the bottom, so you can choose which way you want to do it. And all in all, I think these are pretty cool.
Webcam.
Let's get an up close look.
Here, recording with the OBSBOT Meet 4K video webcam, and I gotta say it is very nice. You can see me very clearly here, and even without that bright window behind me, you can still see me clearly. I am recording on my Mac computer, and it was very easy to get my OBSBOT webcam to start recording. I plugged it into my computer, I plugged the webcam in and put it all on, and here we are. This is pretty cool. It has a very nice video. I really do like it. I think this will be a great webcam for anybody who is looking for one.
So they do use different stands.
So I'm here with the OBSBOT Tiny 2 webcam. This webcam is very cool. It is very heavy duty, ready for anybody who needs that heavy dutyness in their webcam. It is pretty cool because it does do human tracking. If I hold my hand up like this, I can see the lights just flashed at me, and I can now move around with the camera following me. I can go all the way over to here, and it's still going to follow me. It is a bit slow, but I think once you get used to how it moves, you'll be just fine. Here I've just gone completely behind my computer where it is attached. You can come back around again, and it's still going to follow me. And I can turn off the human movements by holding up my hand again. I can zoom by using my hands, like so. And out. These hand gestures, they do take some time to figure out, but once you do have them down, this is going to change your webcam experience with the Tiny 2 and the hand gestures it can learn. It can also learn voice control, so you won't have to do hand gestures. I do see this webcam being really good for people who like to stream themselves working in the kitchen or doing gym videos, anything that's going to be active and up and moving. You're going to want to look into the Tiny 2 OBSBOT webcam because of that human tracking and ability to move without you having to come over and physically touch your computer or your webcam.